Whenever a business receives a missed call, this automation will send a reply within 30 seconds to that particular lead, so you may not lose the leads. Hey everyone, hope you're well. Today we are going to create the automation based on our new project requirements that is for a salon, and it says like we need AI SMS automation for missed call for a beauty salon. So SMS should be sent immediately within 30 seconds, and when the client is ready, send the booking link, and we need to log the conversations in Google Sheet. But here in this video we are only going to create the first part, that is to send an SMS immediately. So in the scenario we will make the trigger for the missed calls. We are using Twilio here. So Twilio watch calls, here is the trigger that is for watch calls. Let's change the limit for 1 for now. So I'm changing it to all, so we may get the result from the past, and then we will send the message, that is to create a message. But before creating a message, we should set up a filter, that is like if the duration equals to 0, then it should proceed and send a message, because 0 means there is no seconds running for a call, that is a missed call. And I have the script written. Hey, this is Shia Beauty Salon, so we will copy this and we'll put this in our automation. We need to select a number, and yeah, let's write 1 to random number for now. But yeah, the message body will be create a body, and I have written the script, and yeah, the automation is ready. We'll save this, turn this on, and now we can change the time to like 5 minutes, sorry, 1 minute maybe, because we are on a free plan on make.com. It is asking me to put a value of 15 minutes, but yeah, you can upgrade it and change it to 1 minute intervals. So anyhow, this is very cool automation, and if you use that, you can increase your revenue that you're losing right now. And I'll see you in next video that will be based on logging conversation in Google Sheet, and we will be booking the meetings in the Google Calendar as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel to watch my next videos.